在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Pat to Kahaga here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。没关系啊，没关系，我会想到这首歌，好喜欢这首歌。刚好这个月教的就是
没关系，莫关系。
That's right, no problem is the phrase we're teaching you this month. And how about a situation where you forgot to bring your money, your wallet, and of course your friend says, no problem, I will lend it to you first. 我们听这样的一个对话。
惨嘞，我唔記得帶錢包誒。
莫关系，我先讲。
還好哦，俺用我出租店買便當誒。
Let's give you a situation where they're out for lunch and someone forgot to bring their money, and let's break it down one by one. 糟糕，我忘记带钱包了。Oh no, I forgot to bring my wallet.
惨嘞，
慘嘞，
我唔記得帶錢包誒。
我唔記得帶錢包誒。錢包誒就是
錢包。
Okay, that's your wallet or your purse maybe. And then 忘記叫做
唔記得。
對，唔記得。我現在記得咯。唔記得叫做
忘記。
That means I forgot. Or 記得 means remember actually. And then 慘嘞就是
慘了，糟
糕
糕
了。Oh no, oh crap， 都是一樣。OK， 糟糕。沒關係，我先借你。No problem, I'll lend it to you first.
莫關係，
沒關係，
我先講。
我先講。加就是借的哦，
對
不對？加 that means to lend you， 先借了就是
先講。
Okay, it means to lend it to you first. And 莫關係 is again no problem, right? 太好了，這樣我就可以買便當了。All right, then I can buy my lunchbox.
很好哦，
很好哦，
按用我手做的，
按用我手做的
買便當嘞。
買便當嘞。
很好哦，按用我手做的買便當嘞。
Okay, to break it down, 便當就是
便當
That's your lunchbox. 然後太好了，
很好哦，
很好哦 That means all right, great, awesome， 都是一樣哦，一個語助詞了哦。然後就可以來買
便當嘞，
買便當嘞。Okay,
買便當嘞。
買便當買 again is to buy, and then your lunchbox. All right, cool. I'm so glad it worked out. And let's review some of the phrases such as forgot 忘記，
唔記得，
唔記得 and then your purse or wallet 錢包，
錢包
錢包 and then very cool, awesome 太好了，
很好哦，
很好哦。Okay, that means again awesome, excellent, great. And let's listen to the conversation again.
慘嘞，我唔記得帶錢包誒。
冇關係，我先講。
還好哦，俺用我出租店買便當誒。
And this month we have learned how to say no problem, it's okay, 沒關係，
冇關係，
沒關係。And that is today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.